I have designed this library that doubles up as a dining area and also with a secret working station. I know that you guys are all working from home, so boom, take your chair from the dining section, push it into the secret desk, expand it so you can keep the documents, your laptop, your keyboards, everything inside. And believe it or not, it's all an IKEA hack. Let me show you how. First of all, I needed to take in consideration that the height of the closet that I was using was not good enough to make it a desk because otherwise you would bang your knees. So I created a base that would make it look custom, fit inside the wall, and also raise it up so that you can fit your chair inside. I used 2 bestas of 38 centimeters and 8 bestas of 64. The small ones are gonna go in the middle and the taller ones on the side. As you can see, the chair absolutely does not fit, but the height looks good. So that's when I took it out to cut the hole, let's call it hole, where you're gonna fit your chair. Here is how it looks at the end. Put it back on top of the frame, reassemble the pieces, and boom, the chair fits. I now assembled all the pieces back together, but as you can see on the back, or better, in the center, there's a missing part because I did take it out. And this hole, I hated it. So I cut it out to little wood white pieces, sticked it up with some silicone so it's covered. I did forget to film myself attacking the expansion of the desk, but I just used the hinges of a drawer and used it for that. Now you'll see me adding all the frame on the bottom of the desk and the closet so that it looks as one piece with the wall. And that, my friends, that is how